In today's hyper-connected world, managing access to a modern, multifamily residence can be a complex business. Residents need simple and secure entry and exit for themselves, their family, visitors, deliveries, cleaning staff, dog walkers. The list goes on. At the same time, property managers require controlled access not just for residents, but also staff, contractors, and maintenance workers. It all needs to come together, which is where dormakaba Lyazon comes in. It connects residents, staff, and visitors 24/7 to access technology on a secure and simple platform with multiple credential options. It connects access hardware with your current smart home or property management app to deliver a seamless access experience for your entire building. Lyazon puts the power of access into each resident's hands. This means convenient use of all access points, from their apartment to the amenities and the garage, all from the same app they use to pay rent and engage with building management. For property managers, Lyazon provides real-time control of the entire building. Access rights can be managed quickly and remotely. So, for instance, if a resident's key gets lost, entry can be blocked and a new key granted right away, no matter their location. Using our new Saffire EVO lock system and compatible Lyazon hardware, access solutions are connected safely and securely for easy everyday use. Ready to connect? Get to know more about Lyazon from dormakaba.